Best Luxury Small Car for 2025 to 2024 Cadillac CT4. As we approach 2025, the 2024 Cadillac CT4 has been awarded the title of Best Luxury Small Car of the Year. This accolade underscores the CT4's remarkable combination of modern design, advanced technology, and spirited performance, distinguishing it in the competitive luxury compact segment. Sophisticated design and luxurious interior. The 2024 Cadillac CT4 captures attention with its sleek and modern design. The car features Cadillac's distinctive vertical headlights, a bold grille, and sharp lines that enhance its athletic and refined appearance. Its low, aggressive stance and aerodynamic profile give it a commanding presence on the road. Inside, the CT4 offers a well-appointed cabin that reflects Cadillac's commitment to luxury. Premium materials, including high-quality leather upholstery and polished accents, create an upscale environment. The front seats are designed for comfort and support, with available heating and cooling functions. The rear seats offer adequate space for passengers, making it a practical choice for both short and long journeys. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2024 CT4 is equipped with cutting-edge technology to enhance convenience and connectivity. The centerpiece is a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, featuring support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The intuitive interface allows easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Additional tech features include a customizable digital instrument cluster that provides essential driving information in a clear, user-friendly format. The CT4 also offers an available premium audio system for an exceptional listening experience. Performance and handling. The CT4 delivers an engaging driving experience with its range of engine options. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 237 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. For enhanced performance, the CT4V variant boasts a 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, generating 325 horsepower and 380 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. The CT4's rear-wheel drive layout, combined with its precise handling and responsive steering, ensures a dynamic and enjoyable driving experience. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a top priority in the 2024 CT4, which comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard technologies include adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist, contributing to a safer driving experience. Conclusion. The 2024 Cadillac CT4 is celebrated as the best luxury small car for 2025, offering an impressive mix of sophisticated design, advanced technology, and thrilling performance. Its luxurious interior, innovative features, and engaging driving dynamics make it a standout choice for luxury compact car enthusiasts.